सुनो।
नहीं अभी आई नहीं है।
ये आएगा।
अभी ब्लड स्टार्ट। आई विल गो फॉर माय।
ये सब क्या करना पड़ता है तुम लोगों को? सुनो, लाइव आ गया हूँ।
Rajat is still here in the hotel. So you take some questions from here. You have to open it yourself in some time.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम अली। Ali Singh phone.
Huh?
I think Ali was calling.
Okay.
Like 22 questions, 25. So I see a lot of people online. Guys, thank you so much. Lots of love to you. Thank you for all the love and support. And you know, my true win is winning so many hearts. And guys, lots of love to you. Thank you. See guys, I'm very new to these Instagram lives.
Live.
So please bear with me.
Talk about you. To make a script for
1 second.
Questions.
Hello everyone. Can't wait to see you in your shows.
Oh, you will stay in touch with after Big Boss.
Who would you want to stay in touch with after Big Boss? Let's see guys, I'm not a very social person, but let's see what future holds. Vivian, you are the real winner. I don't know. Guys, I'll tell you something. This journey was quite a roller coaster ride, and you know, it was never possible without you people. But yeah, I mean, this is our win, and like I said, कि यार इतने सारे दिल जीते, आप लोगों का इतना प्यार मिला मेरे लिए, this is my win. We want to see you in OTT series and one second. रजत भाई के बारे में 2 लाइन्स। यार बहुत कूल बंदा है यार, मुझे ही इज़ अ रियली नाइस गाय। और मेरी काफ़ी मेरा काफ़ी ध्यान रखा है. इनफैक्ट उन्होंने 1-2 बार मुझे थोड़ा इंजरीज हो गई थी, कुछ पुल्स वुल्स आ गए थे, तो उसने बेचारे ने बिल्कुल सॉर्ट कर दिया. और लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर हिम. नाइस गाय. Feeling so good watching you today. We are so used to you. I know, and guys, special thanks to all you lovely people. जो मतलब, live जाके भी बहुत सारे लोग 24 hours भी online रहे हैं. I've heard that. So guys, hats off to you. You guys are real heroes here. And I hope guys that you loved my journey. You all liked what I could possibly do. So I did my best, but you guys have done more than the best, guys. Thank you so much once again. I just want to know, how do you like the whole journey? One second.
Very funny story.
Yeah, there were many funny incidences.
Don't keep taking pictures. Keep talking.
Thank you guys. रजत से let's see guys. अभी वो भी थोड़ा busy है, मैं भी busy हूँ, तो जब भी मौका मिलेगा. But ज़रूर. I look forward to meet Rajat.
We already met him in the morning.
Yeah, in the morning we met him, but he wanted to catch up. Let's see. कहीं डिनर विनर प्लान करेंगे अच्छी सी जगह, या फिर कॉफी. And guys, I got to also know about the trends that you have done on Twitter. So thank you so much guys once again. You guys are the best here. I've got the best fans, and you guys have been very kind, and I'm glad that you guys, a lot of people, you loved my journey and you gave so much support.
He doesn't have to keep asking questions all the time. He has to talk to something.
Let's answer some questions. Can't wait to see you in new shows. Surely. Can't wait to go back to work.
Tell them how you feel after coming outside the house. What's your feeling outside the house?
Yeah, actually, to be very honest, it feels weird because people around you, traffic, and phones.
And people around you.
And people around me.
And people around you.
Hi guys.
Here also.
Here also. One more people around me. So, it feels a little weird, although, I've been very exhausted and trying to take some rest. So, a few days I'm going to take rest and, spend time with family. I think, my wife is just waiting for me to come out of the BB house and she can, go and fix up interviews and
work and OTT
and OTT and Instagram live.
You can guys tell us also what kind of shows you want to see Vivian next, OTT, or like what kind of roles.
Yeah, I mean 3 suggestions.
I like
what kind of OTT show would you like? What kind of concept would you like to see me on an OTT platform?
Just one liner that they like about your journey.
Yeah, guys, tell me,
Yeah.
you know, one thing I always was very curious to know. You guys need to tell me my one-liners
Best.
or best, you know, timed lines that came out of my mouth during the whole season. Like, tell me which ones do you like the most?
Just keep talking. I said here at Quality I'm going.
Nice.
Take care. Don't keep them waiting with the question because we need more people to join.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for coming. Stay.
Sorry, guys, I'm very new to this
Okay.
Instagram
So
live.
I'll ask you a question.
Yeah.
What was your favorite activity in the Big Boss house when you did your space?
My favorite activity?
Yeah.
Goes without saying, going making coffee, sitting by the pool.
And what was the one thing जो आपको बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद थी उस घर में करना?
झगड़ा.
उसके बस यही समझ जाओ. ओके सुनो, व्हेन यू चाहते मुझे उन चीज़ों को हैंडल करना आसान नहीं है. अच्छा, दे लाइक्ड व्हेन यू सेड चाहत को दैट मुझे और मेरी चीज़ों को हैंडल करना आसान नहीं है.
तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. हमने इजी कहाँ बोला, लेकिन इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है.
एंड you know I really
या सेम हुडी फ्रॉम द जर्नी वीटी. हाँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये हुडी. सो ऐसे ही मैंने सोचा आज यही पहन लेता हूँ.
Hema ji is here.
हेमा जी.
Hema ji is here saying hi.
हेलो हेमा जी क्या हाल चाल है? रजत सर कैसे रह गई? रजत को बताया ना गाइस, मिलूंगा मैं रजत से
विवियन
होपफुली.
सिर्फ हिंदी में बात कीजिए. ये हिंदी की ऑडियंस है विवियन.
मैं
फिर
हिंदी
अपना माइक पहनिए. जो माइक
कभी फिर रह जाता था वो कहीं पे रखा हुआ. जल्दी जल्दी रेडी होके निकलना. अरे माइक अच्छा, जाता हूँ लेके आता हूँ.
क्या इनिशियली, वैसे तो आप यू नॉट अ फोन पर्सन, क्या इनिशियली आपको ऐसा हुआ कि फोन कहाँ गया?
हाँ, I used to in the one day I used to think
she told me कि मैं माइक को
the mic is the
पकड़
phone.
वो माइक को फोन समझने लग जाते हैं.
हाँ. हाँ.
What was your favorite best liner?
मेरी फेवरेट बेस्ट लाइन है
And they
बिरयानी
say
बिरयानी वाली.
बिरयानी वाली कौन सी?
बिरयानी जितनी
नहीं
ये इंटरव्यू
वो
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस और इंटरव्यू. अच्छा, बिरयानी हमेशा पुराने चावलों की बनती है.
कहते
देयर वर
सब
मेनी वन एंड द बेस्ट वन द फनी वन वाज व्हेन यू टोल्ड सारा कि आंखें बंद कर ले, सपने देखने के लिए आंखें सो जा. सपने देखने के लिए
you don't know, but your few one-liners were bang on point.
बैंग ऑन. इवन आई हैव यूज्ड दैट विद माय फ्रेंड्स. सो जा सपने देखने के लिए आंखें बंद होना जरूरी है.
My favorite moment would be बाल्टी का है.
बाल्टी कहाँ है?
वो तो बहुत प्रायोरिटी बाल्टी थी उस वक्त अपनी.
सुनो, अरे बाल्टी का है.
बाल्टी कहाँ है?
I think Himaji is on the line.
या
हाँ, आई टोल्ड हर हेलो.
Some people want you to add Rajat for on the live. Shall I call him?
Yeah. सूजी खाएंगे और सो जाएंगे.
We want to see you in music videos, OTT contents, okay? Don't worry.
We want to see you in music videos and OTT contents. Inshallah.
There is a comment from Nayan Deepna. Even people who have not been a part of your friend gang said you were the best human being inside. Even if you guys were not friends, that's your win as a human being. What's your take on this?
See, I think eventually, the idea is to be a good human being only, no? So, once you are a good human being, more than half the battle is won.
Yes.
So, I mean, and this good human being, that's how normally we all should behave. Like, take care of people and think of
Muskan
people.
has joined also.
Muskan also.
Yes.
बिटिया मुस्कान कहाँ हो?
Neha Maheshwari. Lekha.
We want to see in खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
मैंने कहा है गाइस, मैंने कहा है, मुझे रोहित सर भी जब आए थे तो मैंने उस वक्त भी कहा था कि सर आपका वाला एक सीजन मुझे करना है खतरों के खिलाड़ी का. लेट्स सी, यू नेवर नो.
What happened?
They want to see me in खतरों के खिलाड़ी. I said when Rohit sir came, I told him also कि सर मुझे आपका नेक्स्ट सीजन करना है.
हाँ, he always wanted to do it again.
Yeah, खतरों के खिलाड़ी is one show I really look up to. I enjoyed my season a lot.
Many people are
We
following
are
and
monitoring,
requesting
don't worry.
you.
Okay, bye. Bye. Bhaggaji also joined.
बग्गा जी,
हाँ.
अरे बग्गा जी कहाँ हो?
And 1 second. I need to write my name.
Searching.
1 second. No.
Yeah.
कहाँ से?
Can I'll just write. There you are. Go back.
You can keep talking.
No. Let me do 1 second. No.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Sorry.
बग्गा जी कहाँ हो? बग्गा जी is also one nice guy,
Good human being.
very good human being, और he's very nice at heart. He's a good guy. और बहुत क्यूट हरकतें भी करते हैं यार बग्गा जी. So guys, you have to tell me which are your most favorite moments of my journey. Sorry guys, I'm new to all of this. Please bear with me.
There is someone saying a serious question.
Huh.
If Avinash was in top 2, you think he would deserve to be a winner?
Yeah, he played the
Game
game.
plan.
Huh,
Game wise, I mean.
Game wise, of course, Avinash played really well.
हो गई बात?
एक मिनट 8 minutes. So what is your take on Elvish's statement to the media?
So, about anything, I think every human being has a right to voice out his opinion, and to each his own.
You wanted to add people who want to talk to you?
Are you planning any meetup and greets with fans?
I look forward to. Surprise, surprise. Thank you, guys. Guys, you've been the best.
What about Vivhat frenemies? You and Shahat?
I only met her very briefly, like
No,
everybody
in
else
the
on
house.
this.
You're like, they call you Vivhat, na?
Huh.
So this kind of equation. What you have to say about this kind of frenemies, frenemy and friends and enemies kind of equation?
I never gave it like more of a thought. Like it happened. Everything happened with moment that there were certain things which I used to never like about Char, and there were certain things which Char didn't like about me.
But at the end, you guys like bonded beautifully, like somehow.
So give me some.
Amjad is Munawar fan club, and he's saying love from Munawar ki janta.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Amjad. Lots of love, guys. You guys have been, a very big support, and I can't thank you guys enough.
We want to see you in music videos and OTT contents.
Hopefully, inshallah.
Bhagga ji wants to see me. Hello, Bhagga ji.
Makamaji.
How we doing? Hope you reached Delhi safely.
Alright, guys. So thank you so much for coming online and being live and spreading so much love. Thank
And
you.
being such a strong pillar of support and love.
This journey was never possible without you guys. So guys, lots of love. Thank you. I'll see you soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.